Sekolah Menengah Kebangsaan Agama Maahad Hamidiah is located in Sungai Ramalua, Kadang, Selangor. This school built in 1977. The theme for this year is One Waste Creation Paper and Plastic Edition. Therefore, we like to introduce a product named Instant Traveler Primer, which can help us in daily life at the same time reducing waste material. How we come up with this idea? We have this problem in school. We cannot fit a primer in our bag because it's already full of our school books. Some primer is heavy and can cause us bad edge since we already bring so many books. Because of that, we don't have a prayer mat to cover the dirty floor. For your information, we can't start a prayer if the prostration place is dirty.
So, we plan to help our school to prevent this problem by using waste material. Our strategy is easy to carry, sustainable, not to take, light product, low cost, and use waste-made product. That's why we came up with this idea. Our product is made by using plastic. We use a crochet technique that causes the texture of the playmat to become soft and bring comfort. Of course, the purpose of this product not only to be used at school, when traveling also can be used, since it is travel-friendly. So, it is not limited to school use only. To be added, plastic is not durable, but when we combine it and compress, it does durable and doesn't tear. It is also a good heat insulator, not pest trap, easy to clean and dry fast. Most plastic will just be thrown away, but they can actually be recycled just like our product.
Instant Traveler Primer is 120 x 80 cm. The production of Instant Traveler Primer requires 120 plastic bags. We fold the plastic and cut it invertedly. Then tie it to make a yarn. We then crochet it based on measurement until it forms into a regular prayer mat. This is the sketch when it turns into a bag. This bag also contains a zip after we fold it. This is how we fold it to make it turn into a bag.
First, you lay the unfold sajadah and fold it into two parts. Next, take the corner and fold it half into the sajadah. Also, you have to fold the excess sajadah for it to be in the same shape. Next, you have to fold it to square shape. Lastly, you have to zip the edge of the sajadah for it to turn into a bag.
It is kinda complicated, but it's our way to make it neat and not too thick compared to other prayer mat.
The cost of our product is only RM2.94. It is very cheap since we only use plastic as our main product. The handle is also part of our product. It doesn't cost anything since plastic can be found anywhere, so the cost is only at the zip.